Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I like to wrap strangers. I own a company and we make head wraps and we have a store in Austin.
Wow.
And you get to choose from one of these here and then I get to wrap you and get to know you a little bit. Okay, so this one, tell me a little about yourself. Where are you from?
Yes.
Tell us about what you do.
Okay, well, my name is Jasmine Games. That's games like video games. I am a theater maker, a practitioner, and a poet. I work at the Vortex as the Director of Education and Social Justice Activation. I've been in Austin since 2018, and I got my Master's of Fine Arts at UT Austin in Drama and Theater for Youth and Communities. And I'm really interested in the ways art can talk about society and how we can imagine new ways of living through making art.
That's so beautiful. So 2018, I moved here I think in 2017. Ooh, he's loving this head wrap.
Yes.
He's singing to you, honey. Where's my phone?
Cute! That is so cute!
Now hold up.
Oh yeah, it's gotta be on his phone.
It's got to be on my phone. Yeah, you sister show look good tonight.
Thank you, Jasmine.
Thank you so